Hello, gentlemen, ladies, I'm greeting you. This is the list of all, the evangelist, Mr. Roger Baka. I'm just greeting you by the name of the Lord Jesus. If I appear on the screen, which is for telling that we have a new TV channel on YouTube, which is titled Congo Esengo TV. I call all the members of United States of America, or the people who speaking only English. This is a TV channel from where you can get in exact time the information, and we're gonna take care of you in everything. So Congo Esengo TV, you can get connected to yourself, do the best of you, so you can join us every time that we shall produce a TV program. You'll get it soon. I remind you the name of the TV, Congo Esengo TV. This is the list of all the evangelists, Roger Baka. Let me greet you and be connected in Congo Esengo TV. Goodbye.